Have you ever wanted to travel and volunteer at the same time? Whether you're looking for budget-friendly volunteering trips, medical volunteer opportunities, or wondering about volunteering scams to avoid, this guide will give you everything you need to know about volunteering overseas. From sustainable volunteering to humanitarian aid volunteering, we'll break down how to choose the right program, avoid common pitfalls, and make a real impact while traveling. Before we dive in, subscribe to our channel and hit that like button if you believe in responsible travel and want to make a difference. International volunteering is more than just lending a hand. It's about cultural exchange, learning new skills, and forming lifelong connections. Some key benefits of volunteering abroad include cultural immersion through volunteering, experience daily life in a new country, beyond the typical tourist route, developing new skills. Whether it's teaching, construction, or conservation, you'll learn hands-on from local experts, making a real impact. When done ethically, your work can support long-term community projects. If you've ever volunteered abroad, drop a comment below and share your experience. Not all volunteer abroad programs are created equal. Here's what to look for to ensure your experience is meaningful. Sustainable volunteering. Does the program focus on long-term impact rather than just short-term help? Ethical volunteering. Does the organization prioritize local leadership and avoid exploitative practices? Transparency. Are there clear breakdowns of where your program fees go? Some of the best organizations for volunteering overseas include reputable nonprofits and programs like International Volunteer HQ, IVHQ, UN Volunteering Abroad, and Grassroots Initiatives. Unfortunately, not all volunteering opportunities abroad are ethical. Here are red flags to watch out for. High program fees with little transparency. If an organization can't explain where the money goes, be cautious. Programs that separate families. Some orphanage programs exploit children for profit rather than providing real support. Volunteer roles that require no experience. If an organization lets you teach or provide medical care with no training, that's a problem. Ethical volunteering starts with doing your research. Looking for the best countries to volunteer abroad? Here are some top destinations and what they're known for. Thailand and Cambodia. Teaching English abroad through community-based projects. Peru and Guatemala. Medical volunteer opportunities and indigenous community support. South Africa and Kenya. Wildlife conservation and humanitarian aid volunteering. Fiji and Indonesia. Marine conservation volunteer projects focused on coral reef protection. For those looking to volunteer abroad for free, many grassroots organizations offer low-cost or work exchange programs. If you're looking for a budget-friendly volunteering trip, consider long-term placements where food and accommodation are included. Volunteering abroad can be one of the most rewarding ways to travel, but only if done ethically and sustainably. Whether you're interested in working abroad as a volunteer, building homes in volunteer programs, or making a difference in marine conservation volunteer projects, always choose programs that create lasting impact. For more in-depth guides on what to know before volunteering abroad, check out our blog at allmyne.com. And before you go, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more travel tips and volunteer guides. Planning your trip? Download the AllMyne app on the Apple Store or Google Play Store to connect with other travelers and find ethical volunteering opportunities. Hit the like button and drop a comment. Where would you love to volunteer next?